Okay, Daisy, we're going to the puppy store. Let's go to the doggy store. Yes. Yes, we're going to the dog store. We sure are. Come on, let's go to the dog store, Daisy. We're almost at the dog store. Yeah, are you all excited? Come on, Daisy. We're going to the dog store. Oh, Daisy's so excited. Yeah, she's going to the, oh, the dog. That's the evil dog. The evil dog is still out. Going to the doggy store. Yes, we are, Daisy. Let's go to the doggy store. Yeah, we're going to the doggy store, Daisy. Let's go to the doggy store. Okay. So, I had to do that to piss them off. They don't like that sound of her barking. Usually they yell at her, but not the big dog. So that big dog, it bit someone in the face. They have a huge black eye and a tooth mark, and that dog's still in that fucking box. Still in the box. The crack box. Unbelievable. The city did nothing. Okay, Daisy, you can go. So I like to do a call out to Camille. How are you doing? I'm happy you will like my YouTube channels, and I hope you have a great day. As you see, I lost my dog. Did you see a little dog run by that way? There she is. There she is. Look at her. Oh my God. Okay, Daisy, open the door. Come on. Do you want in, Daisy? Okay, watch this. Okay.
On the corner there?
Oh, she's stuck. Okay.
Hi, my girl. Hi.
Oh, she barked all the way here.